Ooh, here we go. One more time. Mm. Ooh. Look at that. I'll be cooking. That's what I'm drinking. Don't prebiotic, probiotic sodas be helping my stomach because I'm a diabetic with gastroparesis. That gastroparesis at one point in my life, it was tearing me up. Tearing me up. But, I'm blowing hard as hell. Man, I blew it off the spoon. But, I'm just glad I found something that helped. Because for a while, it was nothing that helped. For like 2 years, I was going through it. I'm talking about through it. And upper potato. Before I started drinking the sodas, I wouldn't be able to eat this broccoli or these potatoes with the skin on it. I couldn't eat no berries, blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, raspberry. A lot of stuff is still the same. Like my green stuff, gotta be cooked. Can't eat no lettuce. And I love me a salad down bad.